Now let's look at our Hanzi, Chinese characters. And let's look at some more strokes of Chinese characters. The first one is 横折钩. It means horizontal turning hook. Can you trace it in the air? So horizontal turning hook. And the second one is a flying hook. And can you trace it? Now can you find these strokes in the example characters? From this lesson, we'll be adding stroke order learning. Look at this character here, 10. So you write the horizontal line and then the vertical one. And with these two, you just write the left first and then the right, which you do anyways. A lot of students ask, is the stroke order that important? And the answer is yes. Because if you build a good habit at the very beginning, and then your writing will look nice and neat, and we know the stroke order, your hand will move smoothly, so you don't have to stop and think when you write the character. And if one day you want to try Chinese calligraphy, and then the character will have the right flow. And it helps you to write the new characters from the old characters. For example, this character is Ming. If you know how to write this side, and you know the order, so you have built the muscle memory of writing it, then all you have to do is learn the right side. But don't stress, this will come in due time. By practicing a little every day, you'll write Chinese perfectly soon. Now let's look at our Chinese characters. The first one is 月. It means moon. As you can see, it was just the shape of a moon. And as time changes, it becomes like this. And now, can you trace it in the air or write it down? The second one is 心. Without me telling you, can you just guess the meaning of this character based on this one? So it's the shape of a heart, and it means heart. And this is the simplified character. Now you can trace it. This one, 中, originally it meant a flying flag. Now it means middle. You can remember it as there is a vertical line in the middle of a box. Now you can write it down. Our last character is 人, and originally it looked like a person standing straight. And it hasn't changed much. So this means person. Now you can trace it or write it down. Alright, that's it for our lesson today. Please practice writing them. Until next time, 再见.